Hello students, welcome in JPM PG e-learning classes. Today's topic which I am describing is instruction types. Subtopic data manipulation instructions. Data manipulation instructions perform operations on data and provide the computational capabilities for the computer. Data manipulation instructions are usually divided into three basic types. First, arithmetic instructions. Second, logical and bit manipulation instructions. Third, shift instructions. First, describe arithmetic instructions. The four basic arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Most computers provide instructions for all four operations. The list of various arithmetic instructions is shown in table. Instruction name, symbol, description. First instruction name, increment. Symbol INC, description. Add 1 to the value stored in a register. Second instruction name, decrement. Symbol DEC. Subtract 1 from a value stored in a register. Third instruction, add. Fourth, subtract. Fifth, multiply. Sixth, divide. Symbol है add, sub, MUL, mul, div, div. इन चारों का add, subtract, multiply and divide का डिस्क्रिप्शन एक ही है. Add, subtract, multiply and divide instructions may be available for different types of data. And arithmetic instructions may specify fixed point or floating point data, binary or decimal data, single precision or double precision data. So what is fixed point or floating point? The term fixed point refers to the corresponding manner in which numbers are represented with a fixed number of digits after and sometimes before the decimal point. With floating point representation, the placement of the decimal point can float relative to the significant digits of the number. And what is single precision or double precision? In single precision, floating point format is a computer number format, usually occupying 32 bits in computer memory. In double precision format, each number takes up 64 bits. Seventh instruction, add with carry, symbol add C, performs the addition on two operands plus the value of the carry from the previous computation. Eighth instruction है subtract with borrow, symbol sub B, SCB B, subtract two words and a borrow which may have resultant from a previous subtract operation. negate means 2's complement. Neg means neg. Neg. The negate instruction forms the 2's complement of a number, effectively reversing the sign of an integer, then represented in the signed 2's complement form. Okay. In the next lecture, I will describe logical and bit manipulation instruction.